Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SMCAD. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw 2D door in AutoCAD as shown on screen. You can see the external frame. I put dimension which is height 2.4 meter and width is 175. And again, we have some offset from top to bottom and left to right also for the door. So we will draw one by one. We will start with the line first. I will draw one line with 240 units for external frame. To up, then to right side 175, again to bottom 240 units, and then I will close here. It will come by itself 175. Now I will take some offset with 10 points, 10 units from every direction, and again one more from here to here, top to bottom and left to right. Okay, we will do some trimming job here. TR for trim. Now we will take one line in the middle, drop down up to this middle, and also we will take some offset with 10 units, one to left side and right side, and again we will trim this one and here also, here, this also. I will extend this middle line up to here and here to top also. So we are almost ready. We will make now this design. So for this design I will just take one from this middle. I will make 55 units, one line, and I will take an arc from here like this, and one more arc from this corner here, and then I will drop it down almost up to here. Then now delete this, and one more this design. I'll take it from here. You can play with design, any design you want. You can draw it here. This one just I draw it in the other this door. This why I will draw the same. See, there is not, it's not exactly the same because there is no specific dimension I make it, just only for information. Now we'll make this handle. For the handle I will here draw one polygon with the 5 side. Okay, by this, and I'll give the radius is 3 units. Now we'll draw one line from this corner to bottom with 30 units, and we will copy the same line to this point also, and we will mirror this polygon with mi from this middle to this middle. Okay, now here I want to fix this one from here to 1 meter, so just I will draw one line with the bottom side of the handle with 100 units. Okay, now I'll move handle with this baseline from here, orthos off, and just will try to keep almost in the middle of this line. Okay, now we'll delete this line, no need for that. One side is almost ready. Just I will delete this line because we are going to mirror other side here. and we'll do some hatching job here. So let's do the hatch here, but we're going to change this one to this. Okay, and one more here, and also we can change the color. This is color of the design. Okay, we'll give a red color, and to the back side we can give black. Yeah, even though you can change the color also, you can go with any other color. Let's leave it like this. Okay, and we will make mirror here like this. From here to here. So you can see the door is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this, follow me for more AutoCAD tutorials, and we will convert this one to 3D in next tutorials.